Wondering what's in store for the 2021 real estate market here in Olympia, Washington? Here are my predictions for buyers. Hi, I'm Francine Viola, Realtor in Olympia, and today I'm covering what the 2021 real estate market means for buyers. For buyers, there is a lot of anxiety about home prices. I predict home prices will increase this year by about 8 to 10%. This is more than our historic gains of 5 to 6% annually, but nothing like what we saw in 2005, which had over 23% gain in the median home price. The trailing 12-month median home price in Thurston County is $380,000. 10 years ago, the median home price was $230,000. There is a twofold message here. First, homeowners who purchased 10 years ago have achieved 65% average home gains. 10 years from now, in 2031, I still expect home prices to be much higher than they are today, so it still is a good time to buy. Second, in looking at the neighboring counties, Thurston County achieved the lowest gain over the last 10 years. The growth has been slow and steady, yet has remained comparatively affordable, which has been great for buyers. Speaking of good news for buyers this year will continue to enjoy low interest rates with the average rate of under 3%. The Federal Reserve has voted to keep the low mortgage interest rates through 2022, and Freddie Mac's Economic and Housing Research Group forecasts that mortgage rates will average 2.9% through the end of 2021. The low interest rates are extremely helpful to buyers by taking the brunt of the higher prices. Although the sales price is important for buyers should focus on their monthly payment. For example, the difference in principal and interest on a $400,000 home versus a $425,000 home is only about $100 with the average interest rate. It's a minimal amount in the monthly payment considering it's a $25,000 price increase. Low inventory will dominate 2021 as it did in 2020. In order for the Thurston County market to get to a balanced market, we would need 14 times the number of listings we have now. And we just aren't going to get that many listings every month because there is not enough new construction. Existing home sellers stayed off the market due to the pandemic in 2020, but there won't be enough sellers coming to the market to improve inventory numbers dramatically. And then there were just more buyers than sellers. Buyers were not sidelined by the pandemic in 2020, and they came to the market in force. The usual life events for buyers wanting to move remain the same: marriage, changes in family size, retirement, but one more life event was added to the mix, and that was work from home options. More buyers came to the market to escape their metropolitan locations in favor of the suburbs and rural housing. Many out-of-state buyers are coming to the Olympia-area to take advantage of Thurston County's relative affordable housing because they can work anywhere in the U.S. I don't see this trend changing for 2021. Finally, buyers will continue to compete for homes. There isn't a hard and fast rule as to how much homes are being bid up. It depends on the property, but expect nearly all homes to have competition. Here are some tips for buyers in this competitive 2021 market. Have your financing in order. Use a brokerage site, not a third-party site, to get accurate information. Submit your highest and best offer, as you may not get a second chance. Get your offer in before the seller review date. Shorten contingency timelines. Remove non-essential contingencies. Waive the home inspection or do a pass-fail inspection. Cover potential appraisal shortfalls with cash at closing. Understand the seller's needs and try to accommodate. And if you're new to Olympia, know the neighborhoods you want to live in by taking a trip here, or find temporary housing while home searching and get to know the area. With the optimism of the vaccine on the horizon and an improving economy, the 2021 Olympia real estate market is expected to be just as robust as 2020, if not more. The biggest challenge is adding more inventory to the market. To find out what's in store for sellers in 2021, check out my next predictions video.